Hi, welcome to this first tutorial in the Make Wordle with Python tutorial series. The first thing I'm going to do is download the most recent version of Python that I can. So I go to python.org website, click downloads. It knows I have Windows. I download the program now for Windows. And when I run it, I'm going to take you through a few of the options that I select. But we'll skip some of the major install part. Okay, so you can install now if you want to, and if this is the first and only time you're installing Python, that probably is fine. I'm going to go for a custom installation where I'm going to accept, well, I can't do anything about this for all users, but that's what I want. I want this to work for all users. So I click next. So I click up here, install for all users, and I want to click add Python to environment variables. So what this will do is make sure that when I type Python in the terminal, it's automatically going to use the latest version of Python, for better or for worse in some sense, because it's going to ignore any of the previous packages I may have installed, and so I'll have to reinstall them, but that's okay. So and then it's going to install it here at Program Files Python 3.10. I'm fine with that. Okay. So I'm just going to snap my fingers till it finishes, and it's done. Okay, so that was easy. So now we can close, and if we close this as well. So if I have a quick button that opens up a terminal and my work folder that I like to use. If we do that and I type in Python now, it's showing me Python 3.10.4. So we're all set to get started. So thanks for watching this introduction tutorial where I really just installed a new version of Python. In the next tutorial, we'll actually start making Wordle with Python. Thanks for watching.